Morning! We are so excited to be packing for our trip to Seoul. We're heading back to Korea this year for the Goyang BTS Arirang comeback concert. Still can't believe that we secured tickets. Both hubby and I got tickets to the second show on the 11th, and so I thought I'll take you with us with our preparation and also the experience there. We're really happy that our merch arrived in time, so we will be wearing our Arirang caps and we have our light sticks also ready for the concert. We are planning to pick up more merch while we are in Seoul, so hope to be able to show you that as well. We have quite a few plushy bag charms that's BTS related or actually BTS themed. I think we've decided which ones we will be taking with us this time around. And that's Goyang. See you real soon. We are definitely packing on the lighter side and trying to fit only one luggage with our personal belongings and bring a completely empty second luggage that we could fill up with our Seoul haul and also Arirang tour merch. So this is just one of my sales here. I've got my human-made J-Hope collaboration t-shirt. This is the only t-shirt I'm bringing because it's gonna be still rather chilly in springtime, so I will be layering as much as I can. So this is only a t-shirt, and then I've got a long sleeve tee from Anda. This is one of my favorite Korean brands. They have a store here now in Sydney, and I picked this up at their opening sale. And I have a black Uniqlo heat tag. This is an extra warm long sleeve one. I'm thinking I might wear this under my hanbok for the concert, but let's see how the weather goes because it's still a little under 10 degrees Celsius in the mornings and night times, but during the day it can go up to 20-ish degrees Celsius, so we'll see how the layering works. I am definitely bringing my fanchant scarf. So for those of you who don't know, this is my original creation. I am a professional calligrapher and I did this fanchant scarf. The inspiration came to me when, as a new army and also for seasoned army, it's nice to have something with their names on it. So it follows the fanchant. It starts from Namjoon, it goes all the way to Jungkook. And if you want more information about this, I'll leave it down in my description below. It is a really nice light scarf, but also enough to keep you warm. I made it in a wool silk combination, and so I've got quite a few customers who really love their scarves from all over the world, so really happy with this. So I will be rocking this at the tour as well. And on the note of scarves is my very treasured army membership. This was the first membership pack ever. Poncho. This is very warm and it comes with the necklines over here, so it's definitely meant to be worn as a poncho, but you could definitely use it as a shawl as well. It's got the positive and negative print on the other side, so a really lovely piece of item. This is so treasured because you literally can't find this anymore. I really love this. Also works as a blanket, and if you've seen some of the BTS content, there was one where the guys had this, using this as a blanket in one of their interviews. Yeah, I really love this. It's a nice colorway too, so very easy to match with the black and the gray. Don't know if it's going to be too warm, but let's see. I could possibly wear this for one of the days that we're out and about. Now we also have our Team Money Tiny Time keyring. So I've got the V version and hubby's got his Jin version, and we will be unboxing this and using this for our travels, as well as I've got some of these pouches. These actually came with another army membership pack. In case you guys are interested, I've done quite a few unboxings on army membership packs, and you can find them on my channel. I think it's on the BTS army playlist, and you'll be able to see like the actual unboxing of all these items. This army bag, which I really love, because you've got space here to put pins if you like. The Love Yourself sticker and the Apo Bangpo sticker are my own creation, and in it you have more of these drawstring bags. So the idea is you could put your wallet and other things that you might not want people to see through this transparent bag in there. There is a front pocket, and again you'll be able to see the full like review of this bag in one of my other videos. I'll leave all the links in my description below. So it does come with a strap, and you've got the army and BTS purple logo, and straps attached here and here, and you get a backpack out of it. But what I really love about this bag, and this has been my official concert bag, I carried it to PTD in Vegas. Oh no, actually PTD in Vegas was another black transparent bag. I think that was before I acquired this bag, but I did carry this to J-Hope's Hope on the Stage final in Goyang last year, and it's a treat because we all end up putting our bags on the ground, and so with it being this PVC material, it's easy to clean rather than, you know, getting scuffs and dirt on your canvas or your leather bag. So I highly recommend trying to get this bag if you can. It is the perfect size, and it is allowed in the concert stadium, at least in Goyang it was fine. But what I really like about it as well is there is these elasticated straps on both sides, on this side as well, and that is where the light stick will go. So we got our new army bomb light stick. I'm attaching the army parts attachment, and hubby's got the BTS attachment on as well, and we are going to pick up the Arirang attachment real soon for the concert. This light stick is absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice design for version 4. I have a reel up on my Instagram showing different colors and how it works, so I won't do it here because this is more like a packing vlog. But in this elasticated part is where it sits, and it's perfect that way, and so I don't have to have a separate bag for my army bomb, and we could travel like that. So I love how, you know, you can see right through it. It's really pretty that way, and with a top handle. I will be wearing a hanbok for this concert, so I thought that this bag would look quite cute as a top carry, and so hope to show you the complete concert outfit as well. What is your love song? So I got this cap, and hubby has got the charcoal version, but we plan to share the caps. It's a one size fits all. And then to travel, I have my BTS and Hype Inside RECODE collaboration. They did this beautiful collaboration. For you, those of you who don't know RECODE, they worked with recyclable materials, and again I have a full review of this bag and the unboxing when I picked it up along with another bag. This was extremely limited because it features a patch that was cut out from the original outfit that the BTS members wore, and this one here was what V wore when he was performing The Truth Untold, and that's one of my all-time favorite BTS songs ever. So you don't actually get a choice on what patch you will get, so it really is the luck of the draw. But you get a choice of the members. So I got a backpack for V, and I got another bag for J-Hope. And if you watch my unboxing in the link below, you'll be able to see what patch I got for J-Hope. And we've got the 2 pockets in front, and they've got this little area here that you could probably hook a charm in if you like. So what I'm attaching is my current membership gift, which is the BTS cap. It's so cute, so cute, light, and you know, it just hangs off like that. So I'm gonna put that there, and I'm probably gonna put my Tiny Tan T-Money charm somewhere here too, keyring somewhere there. The bag, it's a very simple bag, very light and nice, but you can see here the memory of V. So this is another one of my very treasured bags. Now in there we've got medication, my Bose headphones, and I've got an organizer as well. I've yet to fill that up with everything that we need. Now on to jewelry. I'm still kind of deciding which pieces to bring, but definitely J-Hope's Human Hope collaboration rings. These ones are easy to wear, casual, really nice. I have my Festa 2025 bracelet. I'm just trying to focus. This is a nice design. It actually spins, so you get the BTS and ARMY logo. Yeah, so I will be wearing that. This is new. I've had it in the box since Festa. I haven't had a chance to wear it yet, so BTS Festa, there we go. So I'll definitely be wearing this. I would love to wear this Microcosmos piece. This also came with a ARMY membership pack a while back. I can't remember which one now, but it will be in one of my unboxings. I think it came with the jewelry box if I'm not mistaken. But if you watch the Netflix live comeback show, and when they perform Microcosmos, I thought, oh my goodness, it would be amazing if they perform it live at the show. To be able to be in the stadium and singing Microcosmos together would be absolutely heavenly. That's that. I have my 0 o'clock ring. I might bring along Jimin's artist-made merch earrings as well to wear, not on concert day, but on the other days where I'm out and about. And it's Jimin's design. And on the note of Jimin, I've got a few Dior earrings that I am considering for my concert outfit, because Arirang is very red and white heavy, and also the sphere and the circles I think goes very well with the theme. I know that my hanbok will have parts of white on them, so I think that the pearl look goes really well. And I'm thinking maybe a drop earring might be nice, but I'll put on the whole outfit and see which ones work well. But I'm thinking maybe either this dangly one or this one here with my initials might be nice. So let's see. So yeah, still kind of deciding on the jewelry. I might add a few pieces to the mix, but also I'll probably end up picking out some jewelry while we're in Korea as well, because they make really nice and good quality ones there. And I forgot to show you my luggage tag. This is from Bon Voyage season 4, my all-time favorite Bon Voyage. And this is a photo of the boys in New Zealand. We love this season of Bon Voyage so much. Hubby and I actually got to recreate some of what they did in Lake Tekapo and the drive. It was actually so beautiful, and every time I use this luggage tag, it just gives me all those happy memories, and also a sign that I'm going on a really wholesome holiday. So I love using this luggage tag. It's just very special to me. For shoes, I am definitely bringing my Adidas Taekwondo May ballet flats. I've changed the laces over to the standard shoelace. Initially it was the ribbons that I was using, but I think this would wear a lot better when I'm out and about walking in Seoul. But I'm bringing this specifically to wear with my hanbok for concert night. I think it will be a pretty nice look, but also ultimately comfortable. And then I'm deciding between my two Pumas, my BTS Pumas. These are my go-to. They are absolutely so comfortable. I love them, and if you've been to Seoul, you know that a lot of walking is required. You're on your feet most of the time. And I've changed the laces over to my fanchant laces. So these are the laces, as you can see. I think originally they came in white laces. I'm not sure if they came in black, but yes, really love these two designs. This one here has the anniversary or the date that BTS was formed, and then we've got the Love Yourself flower here, and also at the back, so really lovely. And then this one here has the flower in front and a date. Yeah, there we go, the date's right at the back there. So definitely my go-to shoes. I'm still deciding which ones to bring. Yeah, I think 2 pairs of shoes is enough for this trip, and then I may pick up a pair of shoes when I'm in Seoul. I'm not sure, it depends on what's available. So yeah, that's pretty much a bit of what I'm packing and bringing along with me. Hubby's still packing his bags as well, but we're so excited, and I know quite a few of you have been sending me messages, especially on Instagram, that you'll be tuning into my stories and living vicariously through us. The last time I did a video like this was when we got tickets to PTD in Las Vegas, and I honestly can't believe that we got tickets this time around for such a monumental concert, and I would love to share as much as I can with you guys, so feel free to subscribe to this channel. And also you can follow me on Instagram because I do share quite a bit on stories there as well, and I'll try to put some reels together. But please bear with us, as I am more of a latergram person, and I do love enjoying our holiday and the time that we have, and to be in the moment instead of sitting in cafes and posting stories. So I usually do save it for a few days later or maybe after our trip, but I will try to share as much as I can that's live from Goyang and the whole Arirang festival and BTS Seoul in the city vibe that's happening right now. We are just beyond excited that we get to experience all of this, and thank you so much for watching. My stomach is growling, it's time for lunch, and then it's final packing and we're off to Seoul.